Hello everyone! This time I'm gonna show you something unique. If you are not lazy people, if you're ready to take 130 steps, this is the experience for you. Today is October the 12th, 2025, and this is Isolabella, the beautiful island. We are in Taormina, the jewel of Sicily, and we are very happy to experience maybe one of the last swim time of the year. You know, fall is always unpredictable, so I take the chance to enjoy swimming time, and tomorrow I return home. This is the end of the 4th edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour, and I don't want to get home full of regrets, so I took the chance to enjoy Isolabella once again. Taormina and Isolabella are included in all our tours of Sicily, and they are highly recommended in all your custom private tours of Sicily. If you join one of our tours, you will stay in the hotel, the orange building behind me. All rooms face Isolabella, so it's a very special view. And you can enjoy your leisure time. You can take the 130 steps to the beach, and you will experience something really unique. Isolabella is one of the most iconic beaches in the world, not only in Sicily, in the world. Despite its early morning, despite its fall, we are in the middle of October. As you can see, people are getting to the beach because Taormina and Isolabella beach are one of the most popular locations we have in Italy. It's something you can't miss. If you are sea lovers, if you want to take a special photo in this beautiful location, this is the perfect place for you. I look forward to swimming and exploring the beautiful pristine waters.
Und jetzt davor.
If you want us to put together your custom private tour of Sicily, it will be available all year round. Or if you want to join one of our group tours of Sicily, the Sicily Lovers Tour. We plan the Sicily Lovers Tour 3 times a year. Feel free to contact us at info@bestthingstodoinsicily.com. We will help you enjoy a memorable experience. Thanks for watching, and see you the next one. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.